Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the PhD admission notification from one of the state university. And here the fellowship amounts also I provide here in the thumbnail, that is 31,000 rupees per month for the first 2 years and 35,000 rupees per month for the third year. And HRA also will be provided as per the Government of India norms, and every year you will get 15,000 rupees as a contingency amount. Fine. So after watching this video, please share this one to your friends or colleagues who belongs to those departments or the research areas. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more videos like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And if your subjects are not covered in this video, then please mention your subjects, okay, who are looking for the PhD admission. Mention those things in the comment section. Based upon that one, I will come up in the next video if I got the PhD admission notification as per your requirement. So to get my videos as a notifications to your devices, you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, a small announcement to the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam. As you already know that on 10th August 2021, the National Testing Agency released the dates for the UGC NET December 2020 as well as the June 2021 merged cycle. So the dates are 6th October to 11th October 2021. Unacademy paid courses are there. By keeping in mind the UGC NET December 2020 and the June 2021 cycles. So from August 18th onwards, the MCQ course on paper 1 and paper 2 electronic science is going to start. And from September 2nd onwards, the revision course for paper 1 and paper 2 electronic science is going to start. And the details regarding the links I kept in the description box of this video. To get the complete details I kept at the end of this video. Coming to the present content of the video, so it is Gujarat Technological University. So from this one here, we got this notification, invite online application for full-time PhD program in engineering under AICTE Doctoral Fellowship ADF scheme 2021 to 22. Okay, so here the advertisement, detail notification and eligibility criteria, okay, and as well as the instructions also you can get. And I will provide this link in the description box of this video, so the candidates who wants to get the accurate and the complete details, you may visit the link that I kept in the description box. Fine. So here first we will see the advertisement, guys, okay, and then we will see the complete details. So invite application for full-time PhD admission 2021 to 22 in GTU, that is Gujarat Technological University. So online registration, it is a link, and pay registration fee 1,500 rupees for open or AWS category, and 1,250 for SC, ST, SC, BC or differently abled category online using credit card or debit card or net banking. And the last date for submission of online application is 20th September 2021, and hard copy of the application along with the requisite documents, the last date is 24th September 2021. And the fellowship amounts, as I already told in the thumbnail, but in details we will say in the detailed notification also. Fine. So first I will show you what are the different research areas here, and then you may proceed this video, guys. So thrust areas for the research: green technologies, big data, machine learning and data sciences, and blockchain, artificial intelligence, energy production and storage, electronics and photonics, nuclear engineering and allied technology, robotics and mechatronics, and augmented reality or virtual reality, and energy efficiency, renewable and sustainable energy, electric and hybrid mobility, smart cities, housing and transportation, and the Internet of Things, 3D printing, quantum computing, smart technologies for agriculture and food technology, and water purification, conservation and management, public policy, social and organizational psychology, and behavior, cyber security. Fine. So total these are the different subjects, and if you guys belongs to these subjects, then you may further proceed this video, and if you don't belong to these subjects, then please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to these subjects, guys. And coming to the eligibility criteria for the award of fellowship, that means if you want to get the fellowship amount, then you must have these qualifications. Undergraduate and postgraduate be 70% for general OBC candidates, whereas SC ST 65%. In the absence of percentage, the candidate must have secured minimum cumulative grade point of say 7.5 on the scale of 10 or equivalent at bachelor's as well as a master's, whereas for SC ST PH it is 7.0 on the scale of 10. In addition to the above candidate, in addition to the above, the candidate should have qualified the GATE or NET during the last 5 years. Okay. And the students serving as faculty under TechWeb scheme can also be given preference for the admission of this program. And the minimum percentage criteria for the Indian students qualified bachelor's or master's degree from foreign university shall be waived off. But students who will have to qualify the GATE exam during last 5 years. Candidates should have the less than 30 years of age as on the date of admission, and the age relaxation 5 years is provided for the SC, ST, women, physically challenged category. And AICTE supported ADF fellowship is not admissible to left out students who have already availed the ADF fellowship from AICTE, taking admission for the second time in any other institution. So for those candidates, ADF fellowship is not work out. The duration of scheme is 3 years. Normally, no further extension will be granted. In exceptional cases, the duration is extended by 1 year. As a special case, only on fulfilling the minimum eligibility and on recommendation of a GTU. Okay, so the criteria of admission is that a candidate must fulfill the following conditions. The candidate must score a minimum overall score of 10 marks under different parameters as prescribed in the format, complete the coursework, completion of the registration of PhD program and approval of the research proposal by the university, must have published one paper in SCA or SCAE or the Scopus journal. Fine. So here the lot of points are there to avail the scholarship. So please carefully take care about all these points, guys. And the amount of fellowship 31,000 rupees per month for the first 2 years and 35,000 rupees per month for the third year. HRI will be provided 16-24% as per the Government of India norms based upon the city or location, okay, where you are staying, and 15,000 rupees per month contingency you are going to get. And who are availing the hostel facility of the university, HRI will not be admissible to them. Okay. And after completion of the 2 years, the upgradation from JRF to SRF shall be subject to fulfilling the following mandatory eligibility conditions: completion of the coursework, submission of registration letter, research proposal submitted and approved, recommendation of the institution in prescribed format as per the Annexure B, and cancellation of award. So in which cases the award will be cancelled, so that you may check down here. As I told that I will provide the link in the description box of this video. So terms and conditions and all these points you clearly, carefully check down, guys, and then start applying. Okay. So these are all the points, and here you may check down a teaching assistance, that is teaching assistance of not more than 8 hours per week may be given to the full-time research scholars availing the fellowship under ADF scheme, and may include assistance in lab classes and tutorial support, etc. Fine. So reservation policy and different points are given here. You please check out, guys, and I will provide the link in the description box of this video. Okay. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to those departments. Fine. And to get the more videos like this, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. If you are interested, you may listen. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET, means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism, admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay. And from each and every course, you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one, and just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscription. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down.